On Saturday, the 22nd May 2021, a group of farmers from various counties in Kenya embarked on a visit to Mr. Wambugu's farm located in Laikipia County. The event was organized by Mugambo Farm Tours, led by Kemiti Wagetao of Vinoro TV. The objective of the farmers was to learn and experience various ongoing farming projects such as apples, dragon fruits, pomegranate, goats, and fish, just to mention a few. We headed to the goat section, and here we found hundreds of goats. Next, we went to the orchard where dragon fruits and a few apple trees are planted. This was the very first time for most of these visitors to see dragon fruits and apple trees. Farmers had the opportunity to learn more about apple farming and the financial benefit thereof.
In 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Tuseme ni 50. 50 multiplied by 5. 250 multiplied by 100.
25,000.
Si pesa? Haya, ikiwa hii miti, ikiwa hii branch hii ni 1,000. Hesabu na hiyo. Ukivuna mara 2 kwa mwaka. Itakuwaje? Zina shida kawa. Hakuna kitu unaulizwa. 400 years. Na ukipeleka hakuna mahali utapeleka hii. Si ndio? Unaona ile utaona huko chini tutaenda. Tunda yetu ni kubwa na ni tamu na inachomoka kama pilipili hoho. Si ndio?
From here, the farmers proceeded to the main apple farm located around a kilometer away.
huwa ina shed all the leaves. So ikimaliza fruit ina shed those leaves, inatoa mpya na inatoa flowers. Another thing, hii mti itazaa throughout. Uwezi kukuja kwa hii mti upate haina fruits unless haujaifeed. If you feed it well, itakuwa inazaa throughout. As soon as you harvest, although sasa unaangalia tunda, kuna zile tutaona ndio ujue iko ready. Inakuwa kubwa na inakuwa na ile wine red. So hiyo unajua hiyo matunda iko ready. So ndio ifike hapo, ukisha harvest, you're supposed to add manure. Na hapa chini kuna watu wengi tumeuzia miti, anasema niliuziwa na baba yako sijui miaka ngapi haijazaa. This is the reason mtu anapanda kama inaitwa eucalyptus ama ile miti nyingine tunapandanga, wewe unaenda. Hii si hivyo. Kama unataka kufanya hapo farming, you have to be dedicated. Ukisha harvest, unatoa ile definitely hiyo matunda imekula, imeshiba na ndio so ile stages umebakisha kama hizi hazina cha kukula. So na ndio maintain the size of the fruits, unatoa ile mchanga pale around. So unaona vile tumetoa hapa. I think tutatembea huko what we are doing currently. Unatoa all the hiyo ilikuwa sababu imekuwa exhausted. Unaongeza kama hapa tunaikanga 2 wheelbarrows because mti ni kubwa. Mchanga. Yeye unachanganya na manure mbolea. 2 wheelbarrows around, alafu unachanganya, unafunika. Then you do the mulching. If you don't do the mulching, unapanda maharagwe, unapanda cabbage, kitu itakava kama mulching. Hiyo inakaa okay, the reason huku kwetu tunaona vile kuko dry, so haitakuna ile evaporation. Hiyo farm nyingine tukienda, wale wanaenda to another level, kuna ile taonyesha kuweka shade net ile tumeweka. So if you don't have the uwezo wa shade net for now, you can do hiyo mulching. If kama una maharagwe on the other side ama isilete hii, unaweka nyasi ili imekauka.
At a different section of this farm, there are beautiful pomegranate trees. The visitors got a chance to learn and have a taste of the fruit.
Tuendelee kukuza akili yetu kwa ajili Kenya tuituze. Nunua miti yako hata ukiwa na nyugu, bwana Kimiti, wasomesha hivyo hata mahali utakuwa ukienda. Nyugu yenyewe badala ya kununua maua, unanunua kuweka, unanunua nyugu, mnanunua pesa ngapi? Pilipili. Na sasa hiyo pilipili afadhali ukiniletea nikuzie. Kwa ajili unaenda kununua nyugu 2,000 upande maua na kesho imwagike. Lakini hii mti ukikuza kwa nyugu itazaa miaka tuseme watoto watakuwa wakiweka. Wewe bora ukate. Si ndio? Ukate kichwa. Iwe ikipanuka hivi. Si ndio? Utakuwa ukikulia matunda hapo. Sasa pengine tuseme vile nirudie. Sasa ni mko na faida ya kukuja hapa. Mjue maneno yale hamjui. Matunda ukikuta kwa njia, usinunue kwa njia.
From this place, we went to a different section with fish ponds.
The waste of the fish, piga kwa shamba. Itakuwa mzuri sana because you are doing organic. We have the food, yeah? Ukitaka kuweka kitu hapo juu hapo, don't mind.
Sasa ikiwa hauna fish, what else can you use?
So we have specific food, yeah? So if you they are a bit young, yeah? You can stay this.
Na sasa kama una fish unafanya unatumia nini? Kama una fish unasema iko shamba.
Hii ile unaweza tumia mbolea kama
Our last destination was to see where all this began, which is the fruit nursery bed. To crown the day, we enjoyed a sumptuous meal prepared by our host, the Wambugus. Indeed, it was a successful tour, and this is what some of the farmers had to say about the entire experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Maurice from Kiambu town. I am a mushroom grower and a supplier of the same. And today we are in Wambugu Apple Farm, all the way in Laikipia County, Gobit Ward. And oh my goodness, it is amazing. What we have learned today, man, guys, you should come here and learn more about apples, more about dragon fruits, more about pixie oranges, and other varieties of different types of fruits. This is the future of farming. They have done it in a simple but excellent way. They are going to teach you how to do apple farming, how to do mixed farming. It is amazing. We have learned so much today. We came as a team from Mugambo Farm Tours, and it was amazing. We have learned a lot. And after here, we are definitely going to implement whatever we have learned here. We can start small. You can start with one fruit. You can start with one seedling as you grow. This is amazing. This is the future of farming, and the future of agriculture is the youth. If you're there, you want to farm, you don't know where to start, reach out to Wambugu Apple Farm and they will guide you. Thank you very much and be blessed.
My name is June Moturi and I come from Kiambu. I have very great interest in farming, that is why I'm here today. I'm grateful to be here at Wambugu Apple Farm, courtesy of Mugambo Farm Tour with the committee, and it is because of my great interest in farming. So today is an exciting day, and this tour is very, very helpful, especially to me, having stated there earlier that I have very great interest in farming. Though I had not gotten a chance to start, or I've been trying to start without so much confidence. But after this tour, I think that I am ready, and I have seen wonders here. This land looked like it's a desert to me. I would not have thought that this is one place that would be very productive. But I've seen apples growing, and it is amazing. I also got to see the dragon fruits, and we have other types of fruits here, and they are doing so well. Here in Wambugu Farm, I have learned learned so much, and they also are of great help to starters, and they've got so many seedlings. And I think that the fear that I had to start farming, I think now I have the courage to start, and they are also offering to give us a guideline. Especially when you buy seedlings from them, they give you a lot of guidelines, they support you. And of course, to finish with, what we wonder, a lot of us, is where we are going to get markets, and they're also willing to give us guide on the same. So I think it's somebody who is like me, trying to start, this is a great chance. You can visit them, visit any other farms, but this tour was very helpful to me.
My name is Mercy Kimani from Chakula Limited. I'm very excited today to have come on Mugambo Farm Tour. We visited Wambugu Apple, and one of the striking things is that it's a family-run farm. Very exciting to just see a whole family, children, in-laws, grandchildren, everybody embrace farming. It's very, very inspiring, and they've transformed the whole location. And we visited all the farms, and the management and the order is very commendable. The other thing we learned was the dragon fruit. So I hope to try it, and the apples, of course. And the hosting was on another level, the hospitality, the food, and the fun. We just hope we can do it another time. I like to hear the part they said about the market and how we can join in and partner with them to supply to an export market. I think that's very good, because when we go into farming, you want to get somebody to hold your hand so that you also produce quality products. And with the promise they gave us, we do not hesitate to register and give our farms to actually produce these apples. And we look forward to encouraging more women and also young people to go into agribusiness and to agriculture. And yeah, we'll come again next time Mugambo calls us. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Joel Warutere. I run an investment firm called Altri Capital, and I'm here on behalf of one of my clients called Smart Aggregator. It is encouraging to see farmers innovating in Kenya, to see farmers defining themselves in Kenya. And Wambugu Farm is an exceptional illustration of what we can do when we originate in Kenya. And I believe, when you think about it, agriculture constitutes more than 25% of our GDP. If you count other reliant sectors, we are talking about almost 45%, which means we get agriculture right, then we get our country right, and we get our people right, and we get farmers recognized. If we keep up this platform and if we keep up the information flowing, then we have a chance to actually pass on a good legacy to the next generation. We have a chance to be able to feed ourselves, and we have a chance to be able to actually earn something for this country from agricultural exports.
My name is Bernard Joroge. I'm happy to come to Wambugu's farm in Laikipia because about 7 years ago, I came to learn about what Wambugu is doing with the apples. And in Nyeri, I bought 20 apple trees, which today I am feeding my family with apples and as well selling to the community. Each tree is producing between 500 and 1,000 apples per year. And when I heard that they have produced other apples which start fruiting at a young age, I decided to come here. So today in the morning, I decided to travel from Kiambu, Githunguri, where I come from, to this place so that I may be a witness of what they are doing, for I have seen that surely we can have apples from Kenya, grown by Kenya, and as well that have been grafted in Kenya for the Kenyan community. Thank you very much.